Managers are more important than player. What do you think, irrespective of the club? One fan base, that's the most delusional.
जैसा करते हैं Gonzalo रख देते हैं.
Gonzalo Garcia, na? What if Endrick would have stayed this season? What would be his career progress? So welcome, Sevan. First segment we are starting with rapid fire round. Okay. So one Madrid player you'd never criticize no matter what.
Federico Valverde.
Definitely. One player you wish Madrid signed from Barca.
Lamine Yamal.
One word for Florentino Perez.
Ruthless.
Ruthless. Mbappe or Vinicius Junior? No other choice.
Keep Mbappe, Salvini.
Managers are more important than player. What do you think, irrespective of the club?
Managers are important. 100%.
100%.
No doubt about it. Yeah.
One fan base, that's the most delusional. Barca, most overrated player in world football right now.
I know it's a personal bias, लेकिन Enzo Fernandez यार.
Enzo Fernandez. Build your Real Madrid 11.
I would start with, of course, I won't do any signing here. Thibaut
Thibaut
Courtois.
Courtois.
Right में Trent will stay. Left back Nuno Mendes लेके आते हैं.
Nuno Mendes लेके मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ कि करेरास क्यों जब Nuno Mendes का ऑप्शन है तो.
Right center back I'll keep Militao. Left center back Saliba. Militao and Saliba.
Militao and Saliba, nice.
For midfield, first Rodrigo रखूंगा. On the Fede Valverde. Left side number 8 would be Arda for me. Jude on top of the diamond. I would want a striker alongside Mbappe.
What if we should keep Jude Bellingham up top with Mbappe and instead of Jude Bellingham हम right के लिए थोड़ा creative player लेके आए.
तो जैसा करते हैं Gonzalo रख देते हैं.
Gonzalo Garcia ना?
Gonzalo रख देते हैं. क्या करें?
ठीक है. Who should leave Real Madrid right now? It can be any position.
First of all, David Alaba has to go. We have to move on from Antonio Rudiger. हो गया भाई.
Exactly.
फैन घर से को लोन मोड में भेज दो यार. उसका भी 3 लेफ्ट बैक क्या करेंगे हम रख के. Dani Ceballos, he has to leave. Attack में I would say Goncalo को लोन में भेज दो. Endrick वापस ले आओ.
Perfect. What if Endrick would have stayed this season? What would be his career progress? कितना better हो सकता था हमारे लिए UCL या La Liga में वो player?
Endrick कैसा प्लेयर है कि कहीं से गोल निकाल देता है. He had this
Exactly.
क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Instinct है उसके पास.
He's short but he's physically strong, right? So he can fight off duels and stuff. And for us, if he had been with us ये UCL में, instead of bringing Franco Mastantuono like we brought in last time, instead of bringing Goncalo Garcia, I won't like इतना criticize नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन instead of bringing those kind of players, Endrick जो hunger दिखाता है, the hunger which he comes in the field and the volume of shots he takes, that is so much required. And even in ये La Liga के race पे भी, Endrick would be that player for us. And I'm so sad कि मतलब, and this is under Xabi Alonso as well कि उसको use ही नहीं किया. Not even 5 minutes in a match, bro. Like that's so stupid of him, I guess. So that's where I would like lay some of my criticism of Xabi Alonso as well कि इतना जल्दी Endrick को like they shipped him off, man.
Definitely.
Sad with me.
And definitely you are against Xabi Alonso. तो Xabi Alonso पे आते हैं कि
Okay.
3 players were signed this year. Dean Huyson, अपना Arnold and Carreras.
Yeah.
Top matches में we have seen
Yeah.
Arnold plays and performing really well. What's your opinion on this? इस पे ओपिनियन क्या है? डीन हाइसन भी था, अपना करेरास भी था लेफ्ट बैक, बहुत अच्छी साइनिंग थी. आर्नोल्ड भी था. इंजर्ड रहने के बावजूद भी आर्नोल्ड प्लेज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट मैचेस फॉर अस.
Yes.
What's your opinion on this one? इस पे ओपिनियन बताओ.
इसमें ना यार भाई, the thing is Arnold is already an established player. He is not just वो ना, he's
young बच्चा नहीं है वो.
A Champions League winner, right?
Exactly.
So yes, of course Arnold तो मतलब he was to be our मतलब main right back anyhow. For Huyson and Carreras, what you need is Huyson के साथ तो what you need is you need a good centre back partner with him. पहले with Militao he was so good, right, at the start of the season. Militao जैसे injured हो गया, with Asensio and Huyson we couldn't like वो एक patch आ गया था where Huyson was not good at all.
Reliable इतना नहीं था Huyson.
Yeah. And वहाँ पे this perspective comes that he's just 19-20 years of age यार. 19-20 years of age में you need someone to play alongside with, to train yourself with. For example, Varane came in our club 18-19 years की age में, and he was with Pepe and Ramos. He was being their understudy. That's the reason why he became our मतलब एक standard
established player बन गया था आगे जाके. Yes.
Right. that's the reason why. So for Huijsen, you need to have एक बंदा like Milinta would be perfect for him if he stays fit to play alongside him and help him guide his way because he has top potential. He has his good ball playing ability. Modern centre back का वो है and inspired some by Van Dijk since he has Dutch origins. But yes, Dean Huijsen को if you want to unlock and bring his full potential, first of all coaching is important and second of all a good partner and an experienced partner.
Is important for Dean Huijsen.
Alongside Huijsen. And for Carrera's part, I guess this is a थोड़ा patch of form उसका कम हो गया, ठीक है? And he's also young because at the start of the season he was playing every single game for us.
ये मार्कोस ने पूरा का पूरा बांध के रखा हुआ था, मतलब अगर हम देखें तो एक अपने क्लासिको के अंदर करेरास की परफॉर्मेंस टॉप नॉच थी, गोल स्कोर करे करेरास ने बड़े कॉम्पिटिशंस के अंदर.
Exactly. From वो ये Xabi Alonso जाने के बाद I guess 1-2 months बाद he got injured as well. I don't know for a month or 2-3 weeks.
इंजरी थी उसको. For a month out.
After that उसका in the team उसका थोड़ा impact कम हो गया. But I guess it's a bad patch of form. I wouldn't be so reactionary. I would 100% keep him and he would be our future left back. Sorry. I'm 100% sure. So for Carreras, I like let's not be reactionary for Carreras. Is all I'm saying.
ठीक है, मतलब Carreras you like.
Yeah, I like Carreras, man. He's so good on the ball and the overlaps he does. Vinicius के side में आपने देखा.
Overlap अच्छा है. Overlap बहुत.
Crossing भी हमने एक दो मैच में देखा था, लेकिन we haven't seen उसका crossing का much.
Dribbling में tick mark है, overlapping में tick mark है, ball progression में tick mark है. ऊपर से shots भी अच्छे ले लेता है वो. और फॉल अच्छे मॉडर्न लेफ्ट बैक के सारे बॉक्स टिक करता है वो.
And defending में he needs to improve, yeah, 100%.
Definitely.
But he has shown us again like he can be a good defender as well. Right.
बड़े मैचेस बिल्कुल दिखाया.
I'm not being reactionary with him. I would be patient with both Huijsen and Carreras because these are all like क्या बोलते हैं अभी
Real Madrid DNA है मतलब इनके अंदर, you won't deny that.
क्या चीज़?
Real Madrid DNA इनके अंदर है, you won't deny that.
हाँ दिखता है कभी-कभी.
क्योंकि डीन हाइसन को ना लोग बहुत क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं कि यार इसमें रियल मैड्रिड डीएनए नहीं दिखता. मैं उससे एग्री नहीं करता बिल्कुल भी. आई एम जस्ट मेरे को बहुत पसंद है वो प्लेयर पर्सनली.
बहुत पसंद है मेरे को भी.